Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 guys, generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where guys the fuse for the heater, blower, motor, fan is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that. You may have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from, so all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we will demonstrate guys here on a 2012 Ford F-150. So if you have one of those or one that's that generation but different year, the video may be helpful. And once you open your hood, under the hood in the engine bay above the radiator fan, you have that fuse box right here guys. By taking the picture we can clearly guys show you now where all the fuses are. We can zoom in and we can demonstrate what we are looking for. Those fuses relays could be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. But before we start, let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check will be guys from that row 1, 2, 3, third row. You're going to come right here. That last fuse that's known as fuse number 51, that's last square fuse, in our case it's 40M fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the heater, blower, motor, fan. Then you have one more that you need to check, and we're talking about that fuse right next to it, that 5M fuse. These two fuses will need to be inspected and checked. In my opinion, it's always recommended to test them guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.